Around the year 1970, a murderer was killing people in the area of San Francisco. He gave himself the name Zodiac and left coded messages. This video is about the cracking of Zodiac code Z13. These characters are assumed to be his name. To find out who he was, it's necessary to bring the characters into the correct order and transfer them into letters. First of all, the text has to be separated into 4 parts. We have 13 characters. This means that the center, character number 7, will remain untouched and does not belong to one of these groups. Each group has 3 members. In this first step, the first group on each side of the separator, the character number 7, is important. The second group on each side has no relevance at the moment. Now we are about to execute our first step. The first character of the first group has to be moved to the 3rd place in this group. This means that the second character has to be moved to the 1st place and the former 3rd character has to be placed to the 2nd position. On the other side of the separator, the character 7, the same has to be done. The first goes to the 3rd, the 2nd to the 1st, and the 3rd to the 2nd place. This means that on both groups, the characters have switched for 1 position. This was the first step. Now the second step. We begin on the right side and take every second character to create a new order. The middle character, number 7, does remain untouched and stays where it is in position 7. What we did with the numbers, we will now do with the characters, and we will put them to the left side so that we will be able to read the text when it's displayed. The decoding has been finished now, and we can change the characters into letters. The first letter in the first position is an A, which also appears in position 9. The second character has to be replaced by an R. This also appears twice. The third character is an T, followed by an H, and then followed by an U. Then we will have an L, which appears 3 times. After the L, we have an E, which also appears twice, and the finish is an N. Finally, we can put it together to a name. The process of decoding Z13 is easy to understand and reasonable. Z13 is cracked and a name is displayed. Thank you for listening.